Hi Tribe, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing our PestNet kit, what's in the box and how to assemble. So without further ado, let's get into it. Check out and see what we've got in our box. So first things first, we've got our PestNet. Take our paper out. We've got 4 support arms. We've got 4 support segments, and we've got 1 inner ring. Here's our inner ring. We want to have it upside down with the small pins facing up. Put that down on our table. We're going to grab our support arm, and we're just going to go around and we're going to snap these fittings into place like that. That. And like that. It's that easy. There we go. Our next step is to grab our outer support segments, and we're going to do the same thing. So we turn it upside down, and we're just going to push these into place like this, and you'll hear a snap. Hear a snap. Snap. Lucky last. Okay, and there we have it. We've got our complete support segment for our PestNet. Now the next step, we just need to put this on the top of the Airgarden, get our PestNet out, and we're in business. To top off the Airgarden now, which is really easy, we've just got our flathead screwdriver, and we're just going to go around and we'll put that on the edge and pop that up. Just go all the way around. That. Okay, and we're just going to set that to the side. We take our support segment, and what we're going to do, we've got our little pins here, and obviously our pins line up with our little pin receptacles or holes here, and what we want to do is we just want to push those down in to each segment nice and tight. We just want to make sure that there's no gap between the top of here and the top of where the pin goes, so we know that's going to be firmly seated and good to go. You'll notice a little arrow on the side of this ring here. That's only really applicable when we're doing our LED system. That arrow can be anywhere around here. It doesn't have to line up perpendicular to anything and your access port. So just remember that, it's not important. We just do this in reverse. We're going to put our shower cap back on. And again, just walk around, and we want to push that down and just ensure that there's as minimal gap as possible on the edge. The last step here, we're going to grab our PestNet. You can see here we've got beautiful Airgarden green. We've got our zip here. So we're just going to unzip it the whole way. And we hold it from the top like this, and just walk in behind and drape it around. Drape this around until we get to the front. There we go. And our last step, take our zipper, our zip in, zip it all the way up, and then we're just going to pull our drawstring in nice and tight, so that we've got a nice seal. And if we want to, you can even kind of make a little bit of a knot. It's not important, but we can just bunch up our drawstring, put it in under, and then we just want to go around the bottom and make sure the base is tucked in so no pests can get in from under there. And there you have it. There's our pest net. It's that easy. When you want to get at your plants or top up your water or check your pH or do anything like that, it's as simple as just undoing it here, taking your zip down, and you can even leave it all tucked in and tucked up, or alternatively you can undo it and go from there. But it's that simple. That's how we install our pest net. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.